Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my box from Misfits, and I know that I've done a bunch of Misfits in a row. I'm hoping you guys like to watch me unbox Misfits, which I think you do. So let's get this box open and find out what's inside. First, just a reminder, this is not sponsored. I paid for everything in this box. If you want to give Misfits a try, you can do so. There's a link in the description down below. If you click through that link and sign up for Misfits, you'll save money off your first box. And I'll save money off my next box. Okay, so now with all that out of the way, let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Ice pack, useless piece of cardboard. Although it did absorb some of the ice pack, but I mean, we'll see if anything's damaged in here. Some strawberries. These are organic. Oh, and you know what? You gotta be super careful with Misfits now because they have conventional and organic. They used to only have organic. You have to really pay attention to make sure that what you're getting is organic. Things are marked. They still mostly have organic, but just be careful that you don't accidentally select something that is not organic. These were on sale. I forget how much they were, but stay with me till the end because I'm gonna go over my entire receipt with you. They were cheap, if I remember correctly. Some broccoli. And some spring mix. This is local from Element Farms in Lafayette, New Jersey. Local to me, anyway. Thyme. This is kind of falling out of the box. Thyme. Portobello mushroom caps.
Wow, what a beauty. Yeah. Oh boy.
Rosemary. Colin loves this. I got this once and now he likes it. So I've been getting it pretty much every time. It is organic. There are an awful lot of ingredients in here. It's not too bad. It's a lot of ingredients, but it's pretty clean. A grapefruit right on top of the cold pack. And I got another one. This is sweet kale, broccoli, green cabbage, kale, radicchio, dried cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. And that's the ingredients. We've got some green beans over here on the side. These are the haricot vert. And just want to point out, I think I do this all the time, but I want to point it out again, that Misfits is one of the only companies that actually gives you a full pound of organic green beans, not 8 ounces. It's a pretty good deal from Misfits. The Tearless Onions, these are organic Tearless Onions. Somebody left me a comment calling these a game changer, and I totally agree. These are awesome, amazing. I love being able to chop up onions without my eyes tearing. Pretty awesome. Some apples. These are Granny Smith apples. I love Granny Smith apples. Another grapefruit, another apple. Oh, and there's another apple. So it's 4 apples. These are organic from Washington. What is this? A tomato, a single tomato. Remember not last time, but that time I ordered tomatoes, I was supposed to get 2 and I got 4. I'm not sure I remember how many I was supposed to get, but stay with me because I'm gonna go over that receipt. Some russet potatoes, awesome. All right, now we're into the cold pack. And we have 2 ice packs in here. Let's see how these eggs are. Last week they were not great. Hopefully this week they're not broken. You know what I always worry about when I'm taking them out of here? That I'm gonna be the one to break them. They're good. Nothing wrong with these eggs. This is good. Check this out. Instead of the tape, they used elastic bands on the yogurt. Oh, this is so much better. I wonder if they realized, because I kept doing videos where I'm like, I hate that these things are taped together. And I still have some, so I can show you. Previously, they were taping them. And it's really hard to get the tape off without ripping the wrapper and everything else. Now what they've done is they put elastic bands on them. That's pretty good. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 yogurts, and they all have the elastic band. We like the elastic bands. This is awesome. Thank you, Misfits. Thank you for listening to me or someone. Cultured butter, and this is unsalted, because I've been having trouble finding unsalted butter at BJ's, or Colin's been having trouble doing that. I do this, he does that. This is ground pork and it's defrosted. It's right on top of this. It is defrosted, so I'm gonna send them a love note about that. That should have been frozen. All right, let me get that receipt and we'll go over this. Okay. The strawberries, the organic strawberries, were $5.79. The grapefruit were 2 for $2.99. The apples were 4 for $3.99. That's a good deal. The broccoli was $3.79, and again, this is organic. Green beans were $3.99, and that's for a whole pound, guys. That's really good. The spring mix was $2.99, and that's the Element Farm spring mix. The potatoes were 3 pounds for $3.49 for organic russets. Onions were 2 pounds for $3.69. The portobello mushroom caps were 3 for $3.29. The sweet kale chopped salad kit was $4.49. Asian chopped salad kit was also $4.49. The rosemary was $1.99, and the thyme was also $1.99. We didn't get our romaine hearts, but they did credit me for that before I got the order. They did that late last night or early this morning. So that should have been $4.99, but I didn't get it. And I'm kind of bummed because I love my romaine lettuce, as you guys know. They did credit me for that. The beefsteak tomatoes, I was supposed to get 2 for $1.59, and I only got one single tomato. I'm gonna let them know about that. Eggs were $2.99, and that's for organic free-range eggs. The yogurt is 10 for $19.95. This taco kit was $1.99. That's awesome. The ground pork was 1 pound for $5.49, but it was supposed to be frozen when it arrived, and it's not. It's defrosted. I'm gonna tell them about that. Butter was 8 ounces for $3.29. So my total was $87.26. Shipping was $4.50. I had $10 in credit, so my total was $81.76, and Misfits says that's a savings of $29.16. What do you think? Did I save that much money? Do you think I got a good value here? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you haven't given Misfits a try yet, use that link in the description so that you can save off your first order, and I can save off my next order. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider sharing it with somebody else that likes organic food and wants to save some money, and maybe save a little bit of time too, because to be honest, I've saved myself tons of time just by ordering instead of going to the store. It's really been a lifesaver. I post videos every week that can help you with your nutrition, your budget grocery shopping, your figure skating, and ultimately live a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.